Welcome back to Primetime News. The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, is welcoming the Jamaica Constabulary Force's attempt at improving the interaction with the public at its Transformation Expo. And as the event winds down, the watchdog agency is hoping to see an increase in the professionalism that's been put on display, as well as more body-worn cameras. Jamila Maitland has a report.
The much-touted transformation of the Jamaica Constabulary Force being put on display at the national arena has been receiving positive feedback from the public, partners, and oversight groups like the Independent Commission of Investigations. INDECOM's Commissioner Hugh Faulkner says he's anticipating more police officers wearing body cameras as the JCF increases its use of technology.
There are instances when there is confrontation between law enforcement and a civilian. That civilian is deceased. The only account you have would be from the law enforcement officers. So the digital images come in to provide an alternative account of what transpired. So the interest of investigation and the interest of justice are well served with the use of body-worn cameras.
He says soon INDECOM will start documenting the use of body-worn cameras or the lack thereof in incident reports.
So each incident that we investigate, one of the inquiries will be, were you issued with a body-worn camera? Were you trained? Were you equipped with it at the time? And were you using it at the time? So we can have the data, which can help to guide the security forces themselves and to assist the public in a fair account of what transpired.
This aside, the INDECOM boss says he's pleased with the interaction between the police and the public, which can help to improve the professionalism within the force. Head of the Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Agency, MOCA, Colonel Desmond Edwards agrees.
It's an opportunity to see a different side of the JCF, to interact with the personnel of the JCF in a kind of different environment, to see the technological advancement and what the force is actually doing and where it's going.
The Expo, which ends on Sunday, is to showcase the talents within the JCF. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says it's important that Jamaicans have confidence in the police, despite the increasing murders and shootings.
Jamaicans have to see what we have here to know that the police are being equipped and are being equipped to deal with challenges they have out there. And that you have professional young men and young women. And what the Prime Minister is the old legacy of the policeman of Babylon. We have to get that out of the system.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.